11 Insta Weather Plus forecast with meteorologist Tony Pan.
Well, we started today with some sunshine, but you probably noticed over the last couple of hours the clouds have been thickening up, and that's in advance of a little system that's going to come in tonight before the bigger one comes in over the weekend. So let's go first things first. We'll talk about the weather for the next 24 hours. It's 26 in Columbia right now, 27 in Parkton, 28 in Rock Hall. It's still a little on the chilly side, but it's not as windy as the last couple of days, and we should be able to make it at least into the low 30s this afternoon. Here's a look at the satellite imagery. You can see the high thin clouds I was referring to. Those will continue to thicken up as we go through the afternoon. And we're watching this, what we call a little clipper storm coming out of the Ohio Valley. It's not very impressive, but you can see some light snow around Charleston, West Virginia, back into Ohio. That's going to pass across Maryland overnight tonight, and there could be a little bit of snow in your neighborhood overnight and perhaps even a little dusting in some spots, especially north of Baltimore, but this doesn't look like a big deal. So let's take a look at it on InstaWeather Futurecast. We'll set the time frame into this evening, and you see the snow passing across the area as I mentioned. This is 9:30 in the evening, so if you're going to be out tonight, you might see a touch of snow, but I don't think it's going to cause a big problem on the roads, and then that pushes off the coast, and Thursday morning we get the sun to come back out. I actually think Thursday is going to be a nice day with sunshine and high temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees, so Thursday looks good. It's after that we start to get into some trouble. So let's set the Futurecast into Friday now. You notice at the bottom of your screen you can see the snow approaching from the south. This is 8:30 in the morning. Most of the day Friday should be dry. So if you have outdoor plans, the kids are still going to go to school on Friday and all that kind of stuff. The main problem for us is going to come in Friday night and during the day on Saturday. So Friday should be okay. Snow still south of us, but let's set the time frame into the evening hours on Friday. This is 11 o'clock in the evening. By that time, the snow is coming up into Baltimore. It should be snowing for several hours down in southern Maryland, south of us on Friday night. And let's just start with Friday night and see how much snow we're going to get, and then we'll worry about the upcoming weekend as we get a little bit closer. But this is our snowfall forecast for just after midnight on Friday night, Saturday morning. Thinking maybe 3-4 inches by that time on the ground just after midnight. Now Saturday, what happens there, we still got to get through one more computer model run before I feel comfortable saying how much snow we're going to get out of this whole thing. Some places are going to get 1-2 feet of snow, but I think that bullseye of snow for this entire storm is actually going to be south of Baltimore, more down towards DC. That's not to say that we're not going to get any big snow out of it, because we will, but I think the bullseye is going to be south of us. Increasing clouds today, then chilly. The high temperatures are range between 29 and 34 degrees. Tonight, some light snow is possible, maybe some snow flurries with that clipper system. And then Friday night and Saturday, that's when all the fun starts for us. Sunshine on Thursday with a high temperature near 38. Snow comes in Friday night. Snow, windy on Saturday. Could be blizzard conditions at times on Saturday. It might even linger into early Sunday morning before it clears up in the afternoon on the tail end of the weekend.